Does GameStop take Apple Pay? Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be answering the question whether GameStop accepts or takes Apple Pay or not. So Apple Pay is a mobile payment system that allows customers to make payments with their iPhone or Apple Watch. It is a secure and easy to use payment method that is quickly gaining popularity. So the question on everyone's mind is, does GameStop take Apple Pay? Well, to give a short answer to your question, yes. GameStop accepts Apple Pay as a payment method, making it easy and convenient for customers to make purchases using their iPhone or Apple Watch, as it is fast, it is easy, it's safe, secure, and it's also convenient. Whether you are buying a new game or console or trading in your old ones, you can use Apple Pay as a secure and hassle-free way to pay at GameStop. So hope this video answered your questions on whether GameStop accepts Apple Pay or not. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.